If you follow AI videos, you know it is hard to find a good AI video generator. I've already made some videos about free AI tools, and now some tools are no longer free. So forget those tools. Today, I will show you 2 new AI video tools that are completely free and unlimited. Let's start. First tool is YouTube AI. Open YouTube on your phone and click the plus icon. And now look at the top right. You will see the Gemini AI icon. Click on it. It will open a new page. At the top, you will see different AI options like text to video, image to video, and more. Now, for text to video, click on Create Video. I will paste a prompt to create a video of a woman backstage who is nervous and excited. This will also help us test the AI voice. Wait for a few seconds, and here is the result.
Okay, I'm nervous, but excited.
The video looks very good. The voice and lip sync are also very realistic. Now let's try image to video. Go back and upload the image you want to animate. Paste your prompt and click Generate. After a few seconds, here's the result.
Please, don't let go.
The video looks great and the audio is also good. Before moving to the next tool, there is one important thing. YouTube AI only creates videos in 9:6 format vertical video. This is because it is made for short videos. So if you want 16:9 horizontal videos, let's check the second tool. The second tool is Arena AI. Open your browser and search for Arena AI. You can use it on mobile too. Go to the website. Real quick, please like the video and subscribe. Click on Login and complete the sign up. After logging in, choose Battle Mode. Let's start with text to video. I will paste a prompt to create a skydiving scene. Click Generate and wait. The video is ready. It gives us 2 versions. Watch both.
All right, here we go.
Both videos look very good. You can download the video from here. Now let's try image to video. Upload your image, paste the prompt, and click Generate. The videos are ready. Let's check them.
This is what real adventure feels like.
Both videos look nice, but the second one has no sound. So I will choose the first video. One more thing. Arena AI only allows 3 videos per day, but don't worry, you can use temp mail to use it again and again. Please like this video, subscribe to the channel, and check my other AI-related videos on your screen.